Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you the best free alternative to ElevenLabs, a tool called SpeechMa. If you're looking for a high-quality text-to-speech (TTS) generator that's free, easy to use, and supports multiple voices and languages, then this is exactly what you need. Let's dive right in, and I'll show you how to use SpeechMa step by step. First, go to SpeechMa.com. Once you're there, you'll see a homepage with a simple text box where you can enter the text you want to convert into speech. At first glance, the interface might look a little complicated, but don't worry. I'll break it down and show you exactly how everything works. In the main text box, type or paste the text you want the AI to read aloud. Tip: the longer your text, the longer it will take to generate the audio. If you're converting large amounts of text, consider breaking it into smaller parts for faster results. Before you can generate audio, you need to complete a simple CAPTCHA. This is just to prevent spam and abuse of the system. Don't worry, it's quick and easy. Once you solve it, you're ready to move on to the next step. One of the best features of SpeechMa is that it supports multiple languages and accents, so you can generate speech in a way that sounds natural for your audience. Here's what you need to select. Language. Choose the language you want the AI to read in. SpeechMa supports many popular languages, including English, Spanish, French, German, and more. Country/accent. This determines the accent or regional variation of the speech. For example, if you choose English, you can pick between American, British, or Australian accents. Voice type. Pick a specific voice. Some voices are deeper, softer, or more expressive, so try different ones to find the best fit for your project. Tip: if you're making content for YouTube, TikTok, or presentations, try out different voices to see which one sounds the most engaging. Once you've entered your text and selected the voice, just click the Generate Audio button. SpeechMa will now process your request and generate a high-quality AI voice based on the settings you've chosen.
In mathematics, space is defined as a boundless, three-dimensional continuum where objects can have relative positions, directions, and size.
How long does it take? For short text, a few sentences, it's usually instant. For longer text, it may take a few seconds to a minute, depending on the complexity.
In mathematics, space is defined as a boundless, three-dimensional continuum where objects can have relative positions, directions, and size.
Let me know in the comments. What do you think of SpeechMa? Would you use it over ElevenLabs? If you found this video helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more AI tools and tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.